Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Hand-E-Touch Pink Nitrile Disposable Gloves. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. These gloves have a 3 mil thickness with high stretchability, making it heavy duty and it won't easily rip or tear while we are using it. Nitrile gloves are a great option to give us the strength that we need regardless of what we are working on. These are great for all kinds of different purposes, like for nail techs, hair dye gloves, stylist, cleaning gloves, or other purposes. And it comes in several different size boxes. You can choose depending on your preferences whether you want a 50 pack, 100 pack, or 200 packs. These are also great for people who have latex allergies. These gloves are made of nitrile and are even food safe, meaning that we can use it for food prep gloves as well. If you are in the market for high quality gloves, regardless of the purpose that you're needing it for, this is definitely worth looking into.